Ladies and gentlemen, Giza Yumang with the hairstyle I'm still trying to get used to after all these months. After all these weeks, rather. We remember Giza Yumang with having solid black hair when she was still playing for the College of St. Benilde.
But you'll see, of course, a lot of these players, upon graduating, have really transformed.
Right. Oh, Rhea Di Maculangan trying to drop that one in again. Here's Penetrante, and she scores again.
Penetrante. Most of the points, actually, of Bingo Millonario really coming from Penetrante here. Very effective center spiker in this first set.
Yumang to put it in play once again. Now a 2-point lead. This is the first 2-point lead by Bingo Millonario, and it's immediately erased by that error of Giza Yumang. It's down to 1 once again. So 17-16 in favor of Bingo Millonario. And here's former Bomberinas captain Angueta Baquero to put it in play. And Tabaquero hits into the net.
Series of errors here. Bingo Millonario now with 7 errors in this set. Petron with 4.
Wow. But it is Petron that is down by 2 at this point. Penetrante Owano on the serve. Di Maculangan has to put it up. Oh, great dig there from Going. Here's Caballejo. Morada airborne, and Morada sends it long.
Too much power on that attack.
Probably even too much excitement.
No wrist as well. You see, the ball was actually
Right.
floating. No spin at all. And if there's no spin, of course, there's nowhere else the ball would go but out.
Especially with the design of the new ball. Morada adjusting. Oh, power tip this time over the defense. Di Maculangan, quick set to Micah Ortiz. And Morada gets it across immediately. Di Maculangan for Caballejo. And Juday will find the line.
Judy with that excellent cross-court attack. And that seems to be the weakness of the Puffins, right?
Right.
If the ball is being sent cross-court, it's against the line. There seems to be no defense there.
That's one of those high-risk, high-reward shots there from Caballejo. Nice dig that time by Tabaquero. Caballejo this time over the defense, and she will miss, and she is very frustrated with herself again.
Well, she was trying to avoid the blockers, but unable to anticipate the ball would go wide.
Sa pa yan, no? Judy Caballejo during her entire college career had the ponytails actually, or the pigtails
or the
working
bob,
for her.
the bob cut.
Running attack, Micah Ortiz. This time is denied by her own net.
One of the few times that you would see her commit that error.
Probably looking for a lower set coming from Rhea Di Maculangan. That time it didn't work. Micah Morada. Bingo Millonario up by 2 here in set number 1. And Morada sends it long. Another error against Bingo Millonario.
There's something about their service.
Yeah.
Their serves. They can't seem to control.
Rhea Di Maculangan now. One of the more consistent servers in their entire college career. Didn't jinx her that time. And Mick Laborte out of position. Maizo on the second ball. Here's Michelle Gumabao off the block. Di Maculangan now going to Caballejo. Caballejo, check ball.
Caballejo making her presence felt here in the first set. Of course, also when it matters.
Right. Tied at 20. Crowd riled up about something. Rhea Di Maculangan now to put it in play. Peñano. Jose. Quick set to Laborte. Di Maculangan. Back set to Maizo. Dug up momentarily, but Peñano cannot get there. So the lead goes back to Petron. And Bingo Millonario will use their first timeout of this match. Let's listen in to Ronald Dulay.
April, gumanong ka na rito. Si Michelle na dito, si Mikmik. Habulin na lang. Sarado mo na yung diretso. Biyaan mo siyang pumasok doon. Okay? Dito, hahabol si Mikmik. Sasarado ni Mikmik dito. Hayaan nyo pumalo doon diretso. Okay? One stop lang tayo. Ha? One stop lang kukunin natin. Sino dito di depensa? Oh, dito ka. Okay? Hahabulin ni Mikmik dito. Pag binigay doon, Mick, habulin mo doon, saluhin mo lang, hayaan mo kumabig doon, may tao tayo rito.
Hey, look at that. In the background, of course, as Michelle Gumabo is listening to the instructions, we sort of caught a glimpse of her dad and her mom in attendance, of course, Dennis Roldan. You can see there's Dennis Roldan in attendance here
first time to watch
Wow.
her game here in Philippine Superliga.
Wow. Of course, Dennis Roldan, before becoming an actor and a public servant, used to be a professional basketball player as well.
So it's
Yep.
in their genes, being athletic.
Di Makulangan hits into the net.
Di
Tied now,
Makulangan.
21, yeah.
Really frustrated with that error.
From one setter to another we go. April Jose to put it in play. A very close first set. Nice serve there by Jose. Di Makulangan, runner by Micah Ortiz, and that one's going to drop in.
Finally gets that point.
And the lead goes back to Petron. Again, textbook, except probably because
There was a
the
blocker.
defense, yeah. But still, she went for it. Caballejo, Peñano. Egoro Gumabaw. Gohing is there. Di Makulangan, back set Maizo off the block, kept alive momentarily. Yumang, and that goes across. So sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. And
At that
Kisa
time.
Yumang did it.
They were lucky. Kiza Yumang was, it seemed like she wasn't going to get the ball. Last minute she decided
Right.
to do so.
Mick Laborte will sit. Cecil Tabuena Cruzada is going to check in. And as the serve specialist, actually, that's where we've seen her a lot. You can see Villette Ponce de Leon, Karen Koyukang on your screens. And now Tabuena Cruzada to put it in play. Di Makulangan on the combination now for Angueta Baquero. Just powers it through Kisa Yumang that time.
Solid attackers here for Petron.
And now a 1-point lead for the Blaze Spikers. Micah. Gumabaw. Jose. Quick set. Penetrante. Nothing Micah could do to stop that. Tied at 23. So Michelle Gumabaw now. Trying to be consistent with her serve on this one. Good one. Here's Di Makulangan. Maizo trying to go over the defense. Yumang across. Morada. Yes!
Look at that. Morada owning up to that position.
Set point for Bingo Millonario. Timeout, Petron.
Magkuha ka ng magpakuha din mo siya ng blocker. Ito sa kanyang atake. Okay? Pag biglang naibigay sa'yo, humanda ka lang parate, ha? Walang gigil. Okay? Coverage tayo, ha? Pati kay Maika, kay Aiza, ha? Coverage tayo. Receive lang na maayos, ha? Tayo atake, side out tayo. Let's go! Kuha ka ng block.
And Coach Villette using another reference from the time of Van Remulla. A side out.
But you know, those instructions were very specific, and what
Yeah.
she wants is a play that will really deceive the blockers of Bingo Millionaire. Let's see if they can execute that. If they do, it will be a sure point.
Yeah, well, but they need to get this serve of Michelle Gumabaw, or Michelle Gumabaw needs to get the serve in first. Set point for the Puffins. Gumabaw on the serve.
That
that's
goes
gonna go
long.
long.
And this is what you mentioned earlier. He was really trying to concentrate to get that ball in. At least
Right.
one bagnet, but that time around, it was just too strong.
Now it's a race to 26 as we are tied at 24 all. Maizo, Yumang, Jose, quick set, penetrante, dug up by Gohing. Di Makulangan across, Tabaquero off the block. Yumang will do the setting once again, this time for Micah Morada. And Morada will go long again. Set point now for Petron. And Ronald Dulay needs to talk things over from having set point of his own. Now he has to fight back.
Sige, ito. Lubog ka. Lubog ka. Tulong ka sa receive. Okay? Si M, kumuha ka ng buwelo mo. Kumuha ka ng atake. Dalawa kayo ni Maika. Tutulong sa receive. Ha? Kombinasyon mo. Okay? Let's go. Diretso tayo. Isang side out lang. Matamain mo lang. Sabab.
So it's going to be a play designed for Maureen Penetrante Owano. But first they need to get a good reception on Aiza Maizo, who's also a pretty good server. So set point now for Petron Blaze. Peñano, nice reception. Quick set, Penetrante. kept alive momentarily. Here's Tabaquero, dug up there by Gumabaw. Morada, off the block. Here's Di Maculangan. Tabaquero, and that's dropped in by Penetrante. We are tied at 25. So now it's a race to 27. You can see this. Tabaquero changing her mind in mid-air. And that cost them because Penetrante read it all the way. Yumang. Caballejo. Di Maculangan running attack. Gretchen Ho cross court is in.
Gets that point. This makes the game even more exciting.
Yep. 26-25. Set point now for Petron. Tabaquero serving. Sure serve there coming from Ange. Quick set. Penetrante going. Di Maculangan. Gumabaw now in the air for Morada. Tabaquero is there. Di Maculangan across. Caballero with the left hand. Did not get it across.
No touch. Officials.
Look at Cher Peñano. Look at Cher Peñano just trying to pump up the team.
We know how she used to play back in college.
Yep. Now we are tied at 26. Chi Saet will make her first appearance of this match. She will be replacing Maureen Penetrante. And Mikmik Laborte will also come back into the front line replacing Cecil Cruzada. So Chi Saet, who's supposed to have no pulse when it comes to serving.
Well, two setters now on the floor.
Yep.
They need a sure serve from Saet.
And they get it. Here's Di Maculangan now. Across. Rather Caballero is blocked.
Good coverage though by the Blaze Spikers.
Jose. Down the middle for Mikmik. Mikmik finds it. 27-26. Timeout Petron. Set point again. This time for Bingo Millonario.
Easy lang tayo. Pinasok si Mikmik dyan para gumawa. Okay? So, bantayan mo. Siya yung nasa gitna eh. Siya yung nagigitna. Huwag mo na siyang paunahin. Ang baba ng bola niya, malapit sa net. Dukutin na natin. Okay? Huwag tayo mag-triple block. Nawawalan tayo ng ano eh. Yung pattern natin nawawala pag nag-triple block tayo eh. Solo lang si Melissa doon. Nasaan na yung tao doon sa kabilang dulo? Kasi pumasok yung... Kasi nag-block. Ayun nga eh. O tara! I-team lang na maayos, ha? Tara, let's go!
Well, let's see if Melissa Goin can actually get it done all by herself there. She does need some help, especially... That's a good point, of course, coming from Coach Villette about Mikmik Laborte, who doesn't really need those high balls because she really doesn't jump very high. But
yes.
when she gets the low ball, she can do a lot of things with that. Here's Chi Saet, serving for the set. Here's Di Maculangan now. And Caballejo again with a cross court.
And again, like what we mentioned earlier, it's that cross court that really gives Petron those points.
Tied at 27. Now it's a race to 29. Gretchen Ho to put it in play for Petron. Sure serve once again coming from Ho. Laborte.
Trying to be smart about getting those points.
Again, she doesn't jump very high, but if she gets a low ball, she can put it anywhere. Set point once again for the Puffins. Micah Morada, who's had about 3 service faults already today. Does not add a 4th one. Di Maculangan, free ball. And here is the setup now for Mikmik. Dug up by Going. Too near the net. Mikmik denies Di Maculangan. Di Maculangan now for Micah Ortiz, denied by the net. And the first set, like in their first meeting, will go the way of Bingo Millonario. 29-27 is the score. Very, very hard-earned win in set number 1 for the Puffins. We'll have the second set when we return.